welcome to Kadaba G channel. And today we'll be playing Crossy Road Castle. Yeah, again. I will be playing with my sister.
Yay. Hello.
Today we'll be playing the brand new tower. Watch the other videos if you don't know what this game is. But now we're gonna try this tower. So hopefully it's not hard. And I'm wondering what the boss will be. Anyways, enough with the yapping. Let's start. Whee! Oh my gosh. By the way, I'm the giraffe.
That's me.
You don't know. Ah!
I'm the monkey. I'm actually on theme.
There's a pipe. Whoa! We're Mario now. We can go through these pipes. Wow!
Ah! Oh, hello.
What?
So, what do you guys think? Oh, wow. I think I made it to a secret. Never mind.
Oh, you did it. Gotta talk louder, Dana, you know?
Okay.
Ooh.
Stop making fun of my voice. This guy is literally so rude.
I'm sorry. I didn't know I was rude. Wow, why do I keep getting pulled to you? This time I will finish the level first. Get pulled. No.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Get pulled.
Ah! Swings. I'm the fixer giraffe, and today I'm going to fix this toy.
Never mind. This one's all useful. Come.
This toy seems to be that we're in, you know.
Ah!
Get pulled! Yeah!
I'm gonna pull you next time.
Yeah, let's see about that.
Yeah, let's see about that.
Well.
Ah!
Not another pipe mania. Wait, I was in the right pipe. Ta-da.
Miguel, someone needs to press the red button.
I need to... Oh. We have to press all the red buttons, I think.
Miguel, it's this pipe over here. What are you doing?
Ah! Oh,
Bro.
it's that pipe.
It's this one. It's not doing anything.
Okay.
Press that one over there. Go over there. It's not doing anything.
Wee!
Yeah, you're getting pulled.
Wow! No, that was a trap!
Yeah. You're getting pulled. Oh.
Dun, 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 dun.
What stage do you have to make it to?
Oh, we have to make it to 4:30 to get to the boss. There's an elevator! You're getting pulled, Anna!
No, I'm not.
I went for the secret. Get pulled!
Why am I not being pulled?
That's much better.
Just watch. What the
Wee! Whoa! Wee! Get pulled!
Dot.
Why does it take so much, shorter for you to pull me?
Because the game likes me.
Oh my god! See? Wee! You gotta jump when you get on there.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Ah!
You're last climbing. Please! No! I did it!
Bro!
I'm gonna cut that out of the video. Wait! Dada! I believe in you!
Get pulled!
I made it just in time.
Whatever. Bro!
I think your avatar is kind of short, you know. Let me pull you.
You have a big knock? Yeah. You have a big neck just like your big forehead.
A big knock?
A big knock. Wow, bro. Bro is so slow. Look at me. I'm way faster than you.
I want the secret!
Get pulled.
No! Let's go for the secrets.
Bruh.
Oh, this is just the door.
Obviously.
Wouldn't I? So So this toy has an entire factory inside of it. I see.
Toy Story.
Oh yeah, giving me Toy Story vibes. The same for you?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is not Toy Story. This is not how I remember the movie. Even if I haven't even watched it. But I've seen it before and it's probably not like this.
I've watched Toy Story 1, 2, 3, and 3. But never
No, you
4 and
didn't.
5. At school I did.
Okay, oh my god.
Oh. We don't want to lose our first life. Whee! Lucky me.
What's the oh my god. What's the floor that we gotta make it to so we give it the boss?
30. It's so close.
Get pulled!
Ah! Wow! Mamma mia. We're inside a big toy.
No, bruh.
Treasure!
No
Woo!
treasure. I don't see no treasure.
Ah!
The only treasure here is me.
Get out of here.
Now you get out. With your big neck. Get pulled. I said get pulled. Thank you.
Wee.
Hello.
Huh?
What is happening? Is something supposed to... Oh, good.
Oh, you have to hold the button. But how
No.
you make it? Oh,
There you go.
slowly goes down. That's a good thing.
Do you feel like those... No! Wait. Oh, that's supposed to happen. No! Do you feel like
Thank
those toys in
you.
the background are watching us?
That's a strange feeling of yours, but just maybe they are.
Am I supposed to go down?
No.
There's a T! No! Give me it! Give me that!
Get pulled.
What? Give me the T! Oh my god!
The T stands for treasure. Wow! Wait, no. I know.
Ah!
Look, there's a treasure.
No one cares.
Ah, there's
Get
another one.
pulled!
No!
That's what you get.
Ah. Wee.
I didn't have to do
Oh.
that, but you know.
I need the coin.
Hello.
No!
That was close.
Coin!
Door!
Rich!
Get pulled.
So far, no hearts lost at all, and we're already at the boss.
Yeah.
Okay.
This looks like a bamboozler. Oh, wait. I think I know.
It's a peacock!
Yeah.
What the? Hey?
I'm confused. Hello. Huh?
Okay.
Done. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm just very confused.
Wait, you think?
Maybe we stand on it? Bro!
Do you think we have to do it in the beat?
What do you mean?
Like,
Peacock explains it. Ow, my.
like when it gets onto the purple, click it.
Oh my gosh! Did you die? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I died to one of the lasers. Now click it when it's in the purple. You did it!
Yeah, what the? This is actually hard.
Dangerous dance floor. Go! Yeah, go quickly! You
What?
did it!
Why is she mad when I get it wrong if it attacks her? Over here?
She really likes to dance. That's... Click! Multiplayer, it's easier. Come on, let's do this. Click it! Ta-da!
Seriously, bro? What do you even die to?
The lasers! You have to click it when it's in the yellow, you click it.
Why am I lagging? Bro, I'm lagging!
Let me help you. When it's in the yellow, you click the song button. You don't just hold it down, or else it won't work. Then look, go.
Can it stop lagging? It's making it hard. Ugh.
You did it!
Bro, why do you have to jump all the way over there? Bro! When was there a second one? Oh my god.
Okay.
Bro, don't die this time.
I won't. Trust. Woo. Don't hold it down, or else it won't work.
What do you mean?
Let me help.
You're doing it for me. What do you mean?
What the?
Yeah. Why is the peacock flying? Am I seeing the peacock? Oh my. And then I jump or what? Is this the last one?
Yeah, this is the last one. Try attacking from under, because that's easier. Go.
I'm only one person here.
Yes! We did it!
What was that horrifying scream? Oh. Now I feel like wasting my money.
Woo! That was stressful. My heart was beating. Oh, this one has a dangerous eagle thing. Oh, Peacock.
Oh my god.
No!
Can't even imagine how the last boss fight will be.
Oh, that's scary. So, guys, should we end the video here?
Probably.
Okay, guys, that's it for Crossy Road
I
Castle.
got so late video today.
We explored this weird-looking tower with a peacock in it. And now,
What?
Donna probably hates peacocks. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye! Secret message in 3, 2, 1.